Hello, I'd like to meditate with you today. Today's meditation will be on drinking coffee. I drink coffee every morning like many people. You can also drink tea and meditate while you do that. You can meditate, well, listen to my intro.
You can meditate anywhere, anytime, on anything. All you have to do is bring your awareness to the present moment.
Awareness. Awareness is the knowingness. The knowingness. The knowingness. The knowingness. The thing in your mind that knows what you're doing, saying, thinking, or feeling at any given moment. At any given moment. At any given moment.
So to meditate, just recognize your awareness in the present moment.
So, before I drink the coffee, I can look at the coffee, smell the coffee, bring my awareness to anything that has to do with my coffee. I can bring my awareness to the desire to drink. I've drank a little bit already, so I'm anticipating the flavor. I'm having a little bit of flavor in the back of my throat of the coffee. The smell is quite strong. Very creamy. I like really creamy coffee, so it's very pale. So I'll notice that. Bring my awareness to anything that comes and goes in my mind as I drink my coffee. Take a sip. Swallowing. I like. Judgment. So just continue this process. Smelling, looking, sipping. And just notice and allow your mind to be as it is as you drink the coffee, and just observe. Just notice. Notice anything in your mind, in your sensations, and then bring your awareness back to the coffee. It's really good. And of course, while I drink coffee, my mind is quite busy. I'm not always just thinking coffee, coffee, coffee. It's very difficult to do that. So there's often other thoughts and emotions that come and go, and that's okay. If you're thinking about the past, the future, that's okay. Just bring your awareness back to your coffee as many times as you can, as often as you can, and for as long as you can, until your mind wanders again on some tangent. Looking at the coffee, smelling the coffee, sipping the coffee. And my mind will wander, judge, have attachment to the coffee, judgment of the taste. And I'll just notice. Notice the warmth in my chest as the coffee slides down my throat, into my tummy. And I'll just notice that. And notice me wondering if you're enjoying this meditation, and if I'm doing okay leading it, and all my doubts and worries, and if I'm doing it right or if I'm doing it wrong. They'll come and go as I sip my coffee. And I'll just allow, watch, observe, and guide my mind gently back to the coffee as often and as long as I can, while being gentle and not too aggressive about it, because you can't push away your thoughts. You can just observe them as they come and go. My teacher describes them like clouds in the sky, dissolving into space. And I'll just notice. Notice, again, any self-doubt or thoughts that I'm having, judgments occurring in my mind. Just know that they'll always come and go. And just bring your awareness to that. Bring your awareness to how the coffee taste in your mouth comes and goes. The wave of flavor as you take it in, your sip. And then the dryness at the end on your tongue. And the satisfaction of drinking coffee. There's a certain satisfaction there. And I'll just notice that. Again, just noticing. Noticing my coffee. And continuously bringing my awareness back to the coffee. Back to the coffee. Back to the coffee. The act of swallowing. And anything else that comes and goes in your mind as you drink your coffee. And that's how you meditate on coffee. I hope you enjoyed this meditation. Come back for more. Have an awesome day. Bye.